Extended campus closures lead to hazardous stagnant water conditions. Dormant HVAC and plumbing systems are a breeding ground for harmful bacteria. Left untreated, your students, faculty, and staff are at risk of waterborne diseases. Rochester Midland Corporation provides comprehensive disinfection services that remove the biofilm in both domestic water and cooling tower HVAC systems. Our technicians are experts in CDC-approved procedures to ensure the health of returning students and faculty. Contact us for a complimentary domestic water survey at rochestermidland.com/water-legionella.